Hello, everyone. Welcome to my podcast. So, today I have a very special guest, the Simran Sharma. She is the student of the 8th class, and today we'll talk about her school life, family, her goal, and much more. So, Simran, just introduce yourself.
Hello everyone. Myself Simran Sharma. I'm 13 years old and I study in the 8th standard. And I'm the student studying in the Ryan International School
Where in Ryan International and which city?
in the Gurugram.
In Gurugram.
Yeah.
Okay. Simran, I just want to understand what is your the favorite subject and why?
My favorite subject is maths, and because I love to solve the equations and the reasoning questions. It took time to solve, but it also you can say in that you can be very मजा आता है मतलब it is very good thing to solve that.
Great. Simran, do you have any favorite teacher? Any other school? Any other class?
Means I'm having my the favorite teacher also. She is the SST subject teacher. She Why she is my favorite teacher? Because she supports me in means the problems and all if I'm facing in any history, civics, and the geo. So she helped me to find out the answer.
Okay, okay. Simran, I just want to understand. So,
Yeah.
what do you do after the school? Like how's your the life? Once you come back from the school, right? So, what do you do in the home?
Yeah, so after coming back from the school, I first of all I'm having means my the schedule is very hectic. I need to complete my homework, then I need to go to my tuition and the coaching you can say. Then after then I play and watch the TV and spend time with my family.
Okay, that's a good. So you have very tight schedule. Like
Yeah.
even after coming back from the school, right? Okay. So, the Simran, the next question I would like to ask from you. So, can you tell me about your the family? Like the who all are in the family, what they do, right? From where you guys are, right? Are you guys from the Gurgaon or some other part of the country?
So first of all, in my family, we are the four members. First is me, then my mother and father and my sibling. My father works in the private sector. So in my family member, they are the four members. First is me, and my parents and my sibling. My father works in the private sector, and my mom is a teacher, and my sister and having this one sister. She is Ojasvi Sharma and studying in the first class. And you have say that I am from Gurgaon or from the others part of the country. Not other part of the country. I am from the India only, but means the means the work my dad do is in the Delhi only, but but our hometown is in the Himachal Pradesh. Yeah.
That's a good, the Himachal is very good place.
Yeah.
I especially love, like the to travel over there, right? To be over there, right? So, Simran, I just want to know, like what do you like the most about the Himachal, or your the hometown?
The most which I love about my hometown is the nature, the peace there. The birds are flying in the sky, the clear sky means the clear nature, the mountain covered with the snow. So I love that things because I need the peace. So that peace is in my hometown only. That peace, that such kind of peace I cannot find in these hectic and schedule these in this sort of the city and all. And the peace I can find in only the Himachal only.
Do you guys do the farming in the Himachal?
Yeah, we do the farming. The first of all, the Himachal is also known for the apple harvesting, apple orchards and all. So my grandfather uh, do the apple orchard, the plum. You can say we grow the plum and all. The peas means it is the monthly wise we grow the crops. There are kharif crop, rabi crops, and zaid crops. Means in the monthly wise.
Do you have like the apple orchard also?
Yeah, we are having the apple orchard, but we are not successful in having the apples, but we are successful in having the plums. Plums are very juicy and the sweetest fruit. That's
So
why.
what do you mean by the successful? It is not means the climate is not favorable,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
the you guys are not able to,
No,
the produce.
means my grandfather, the climate is not favorable. My grandfather is putting lot of his efforts on growing the apples and orchard, but the climate is not favorable. Sometimes it's having the rain, snowfall, sunlight, and also it has been
Got it.
very,
Got it.
yeah. My Mossy is having the big orchard of the apples. Mean she specially send those apples to us, and those are the two types of, means the green and the red apple. So it is very juiciest and the sweet also. Yeah, my Mossy family is a professional in growing the apples and alls. So they know how to grow those, and they are also giving the same amount of the, you can say, take care of those. Even my mamu also have done the trials. They also have grown the apples. Means though they both are successful in having the apple and all. We are not, because the climate is not favorable in that area.
Simran, now let's come back to your the study or the student
Yeah,
life. So do
yeah.
you face any challenge, like the during the study?
Yeah, I faced many challenges having the doubts and all in the questioning reasoning. Means in the maths I'm all.
Yeah, Simran. So now I want to understand. So do you face any challenge,
Yeah,
or
I've
during the study?
yeah, I faced many challenges. I having the doubts in, basically I'm having the doubts in the math questions, reasoning questions, equations and all. So those question asked means I can get the help from my teachers, tutors, and my family. They all help me to get the answer.
Great. Simran, I want to know, like the what is your the aim to be in your life?
My aim to is to be in my life the confident speaker and the good person. I've told my the goal also to become an IS officer. Yeah.
Okay, so the final question from you, the Simran, is what message would you like to give to the student who is at your age?
The message that I need to give to my at my age of the student, to be focused on the studies only, to be confident speaker, and should do everything in the calm and the peace, and be the positive also, to put their maximum time in the studies on studies only. They, yeah, they can play, they can watch TV, but in a limited. They also need to study and need to score the good marks, and also need to be away from the social and media. Yeah.
So finally, Simran, how does it feel to be part of this the today the podcast? I believe this was your the first the podcast, the
Yeah,
interview,
you heard it
and
right. It was
just
my
tell me.
first. Yeah, you heard it right. It was my first podcast, and this podcast will be my memorable podcast, because in this podcast I have expressed each and everything about me. Yeah, so thank you to invite me in this podcast. And the man who is hosting this podcast is a great man. You can come and be the part of this podcast. Thank you.
So great, Simran. Thank you for talking to us today,
Yeah, it was my
and
pleasure.
it was really the nice, like the talking to you. And
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
thank you so much, Simran. Right,
Yeah, it was my pleasure to come in
and
this
see you
podcast.
soon in the next episode. Okay,
Okay.
great.
Thanks. Thank
Best
you.
of luck.